Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create group chat in Telegram. Okay, let's get to it. Open your Telegram app on your phone, and then if you want to create a new group chat, you can click on this button on the top left corner of your screen and then choose new group and choose the person that you want to add to your group. You can click on the account that you want to add to your group like this, and then click this button. Alright, and enter group name. And after you enter your group name, you can click on this check mark. Alright, now the group has been created. Okay guys, that's how we can create group chat in Telegram. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.